Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 in virtual reality. Before diving into the immersive world, ensure you have a few key components. First, you must own a copy of Half-Life 2 on Steam. Second, a Steam VR-compatible virtual reality headset is essential for the experience. Finally, confirm your personal computer meets the recommended system specifications to handle the game smoothly in VR. Having these three elements ready will set you up for success. Once your setup is ready, the next crucial step is installing the Half-Life 2 VR mod. This fantastic, free, community-developed modification is available directly on the Steam store. Simply search for Half-Life 2 VR mod and download it like any other game. It installs as a standalone application, separate from the original Half-Life 2, making the process straightforward and user-friendly. This mod is the gateway to experiencing the classic game in a whole new dimension. With the connection active, it's time to configure your data and blocks. Choose which specific tables from your Airtable base you want to display in your software application. Next, drag and drop various software blocks, like lists or forms, onto your page. You'll then map the relevant Airtable fields to the elements within these software blocks. Finally, customize the appearance and functionality of each block to match your application's design and user experience. With everything installed and configured, you are now ready to launch and play Half-Life 2 in virtual reality. Ensure your virtual reality headset is properly connected to your computer and that Steam VR is active. Then, simply start the Half-Life 2 VR mod directly from your Steam library. Prepare to be transported into City 17 and experience Gordon Freeman's epic journey with an unprecedented sense of presence. Enjoy rediscovering this beloved title from a completely new, first-person perspective.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.